Since 1981, Riverbend Industrial Solutions has been a trusted leader in manufacturing a wide range of standard and custom metal pipe assemblies, including corrugated and braided metal hoses. With nearly 20 years of experience in tube bending, welding, and precision machining, we deliver complete assemblies built to exacting standards. Our full-service approach combines expert tube bending, advanced bead forming, welding, and machining, all tailored to meet the demanding needs of OEMs across industries. From prototype one-offs to high-volume production runs, Riverbend Industrial Solutions provides quality, reliability, and flexibility that other suppliers can't match. We specialize in complex metal hose assemblies others won't even consider, from tight tolerance, high-volume production runs, to urgent one-off builds. Our welding team, backed by robotic and manual TIG capabilities, produces precision assemblies from 1/4 inch to 12-inch ID in steel and stainless steel. Whether it's corrugated, braided, or a custom configuration, we deliver short lead times without compromising quality. All our metal hose assemblies are thoroughly tested before leaving our facility, with hydrostatic testing available upon request. We provide precision tube bending services using multiple CNC benders that deliver consistent, complex bends with tight tolerances. Beyond bending, our capabilities include bead forming, paraflanging, welding, end crimping, both reduction and expansion, production cutting, slotting, and roll bending, all designed to meet demanding OEM specifications and support full assembly needs. Our precision machine shop supports both in-house fabrication and full production runs for OEM customers. With a blend of CNC and manual lathes, mills, drill presses, and engraving equipment, we machine components to tight tolerances, whether it's a one-off prototype or a high-volume order. From standalone parts to custom fittings for hose, tube, or welded assemblies, we deliver short lead times, reliable quality, and the flexibility to meet evolving customer needs. To learn more about our precision-engineered metal pipe assemblies, along with expert tube bending, welding, and machining services trusted by industry leaders for durability and quality, contact Riverbend Industrial Solutions today. Let us deliver the complete solutions you need with reliability you can count on.